I've been bike riding across the deserts of Gansu, the tropical forests of Hainan, the nice paved roads of Zhejiang, and the steep climbs of Sichuan. However, bike riding in Yunnan is something that brings all these different landscapes together, and in this video you will see a summary of my last month of bikepacking around Yunnan, 2,400 kilometers of bicycle, mountains and rain. Let's go then. Yunnan, South China. We start in Kunming during a stormy day in order to go then farther up, Dali, the Herai Lake, one of the most beautiful places in China if you ask me. Then north to Lijiang, where the real mountain starts and this video will end. The second video will go to Dali, on the border with Tibet, under the foot of Meili Shuishan. Then south, Baoshan, when they make a very decent coffee, I figure out. Lijiang, 2 days of heavy rain near the Red River. Then a bus ride to Mojiang. I was just too tired, one of the poorest areas of China. And then Yunnan to see the rice terrace. Amazing, just amazing. Back to Kunming after a month, and I will really need a rest. So let's go. I will not be alone in this adventure. Ru Wei, a friend of mine from Sichuan, will come with me until the border with Tibet. While he will go inside, I will go back. Well, we start in Kunming, as I said, on a very rainy day for an 8-hour bike ride to Chuanshan, 175 kilometers. A very long and wet day, not the best one. However, it was a good introduction, and Ru Wei made it special, so let's enjoy it. Ru Wei enjoys talking with people, bike rider, motorcycle rider, and I do too, so we stop for many breaks. And thanks to his camera, I figured out that my backpack wasn't fixed properly, as you can see. Then we met this guy from Tibet who had been on the road for 17 years with this tricycle, carrying it everything he needs with him. Very interesting person, a real character. We bikepacked then, and then we woke up in the morning figuring out that we were not the only one. Other 6 people had bikepacked in the same spot. Even a very funny guy. Then, ready to go again, another long day, 146 kilometers. On the way we stop again to talk with some guys, very interesting people, going across China on this one-wheel e-bike that can do 200 kilometers with one ride. Well, I won't be able to stand all day. We keep going there. Good weather today, well-paved road, people, nature, and we even happen to see a banana lotus flower. Very rare to see in this season. It's summertime and it's rainy season, therefore late in the afternoon the clouds are appearing and the rain coming. We have to stop, the rain is very heavy, but as soon as it stops we find a place exactly in downtown to put our tents. I like Ru Wei style, he doesn't care, he just puts a tent everywhere, things that you can't really do in Europe. Therefore, with that said, back on the road direction Dali. On the way to Dali, the mountains are cloudy and the rain coming. However, some local people see us cold on the side of the road and offer us a fire and a tea. Really amazing experience, worth the long wait. However, on the way down, the road is wet and I guess I'm too fast. Unfortunately, once in Dali, a minivan turns right without stopping for me. The crash was hard, I was scared. The people hitting me, they were scared too. I spent a day between hospitals and police. However, I was fine, ready to go. Take a half-day break, and the day after, fixing the bike, and ready to go again, discovering Dali, back on the road. In Dali, we meet again those guys with the weird one-wheel e-bike. Nice coincidence. Always in Dali, we meet Ethan, a British guy that will join us for the rest of the trip and will become a nice trio. So we unpack and pack again and ready to go, direction Lijiang for a very long day. We make it to arrive to Lijiang right before sunset. A very long day. Well, it was worth the ride. The sky, the mountains, a very unique experience on the road. As my friend would say, being on the road is feeling alive. And I guess we felt very alive that day. Packing and packing again, ready to go. Direction Tiger Leaping Gorge. However, this will be for our next video. So follow us, always in Yunnan, always on the road.